fans here, but it is a business, and he mentioned Andre Palat had to deal with it.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio from Jeff. This is a Sony model TFM-6200W. And it's very unique. It's got AM, FM, and what's marked as PSB, police band, but it also covers the weather band. I'm going to show it to you right now. It's a little hard to see the police band. It's way up on the top there. It's really hard to see, especially when the camera won't focus. There, now you can see it. So it goes from 147 to 174. Whoops, if I get it within the camera range. And then it's got FM and AM. It's got a few little dings, not bad. This is the band select right there on the back. And the earbud jack. And right here is where you put the 9-volt battery. Have a little trouble keeping everything in front of the camera for some reason. Got a carrying strap, which is cloth. And it's got a telescopic antenna, which is about, about 2 feet for FM and the police band. Don't think we're going to get anything on the police band, but we'll try the AM and FM. We're on AM right now. Turn the volume back up.
He was good in Game 6. He only allowed, what, 2
good
goals,
audio.
And the game before that, he stole that game. Game 5 up in Toronto, that was his best
really
game of the
hard to
series.
see,
but, you know,
the marker right there where
when he's healthy, and he wasn't. When he's
where
healthy,
it's tuned
I think
to.
He's still the best goalie in the world. Now, the
Okay,
good
let's
news
tune
for
it
him
up.
is this.
It's probably directional.
Ni encantador, ni adivino, ni mal.
This is a major problem.
Not getting a lot of AM stations.
And just give you my first.
There we go.
My first-hand accounts.
That's loud and
of
clear.
it. And I, you know, and
This show is not
There we go.
an invitation to buy or sell.
I was a little low on the band there. Not much down there.
$1,000 in free silver from Sean Hannity's partner.
Oh, it locks right in. Tuning kind of fast.
Stories
Got
like
to
that.
get away from that music.
While there are wealthy people whose fortune is
Very clear. Locks right in. Okay, let's go to FM. You have to go to the back here. Switch to FM. And then we'll have to tune pretty fast because that's mostly music. Yeah, picks up a lot of stations.
a rollover.
Doing good. See if we can get Tampa. That little WSF. Should be right in there.
Broadcasting
There it
from our
is.
studios at USF Tampa
USF.
and USF Surf.
Yep, loud and clear. Okay, just for the heck of it, we'll try that police band. I don't have any much open. I'm going to turn the volume up as much as I dare. It's down here at the bottom, 147. Might get a little noise. Got to be careful when I get up to the NOAA band when it blast us. Yeah, it's nothing. Okay, we're coming up on the NOAA weather. Nope. No, it might be the wrong modulation mode. Yeah, I didn't get anything. A little bit of noise and that's it. Okay, let me look at Jeff's notes here and see what he says about it. He says he got it off the Facebook Marketplace for $35. He doesn't know the years that they were made, but he says it's an excellent radio, and it is on AM, FM. Not much on that police band at all. Didn't expect to get anything. So we get down here, you see the radio a little better. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios, and I want to thank you all for coming by, and have a great day. Bye-bye.